Be putting together a blog to showcase all those tips to you. Well, you know what? It's time for a little Temp-tations. This is the Temp-tations 9-piece Prep to Perfect bake set, and it's available in the two most popular patterns, Old World and Floral Lace. Now, this is brand new this month. We've already lost some of the colors, but here's the thing. I like to call this set the All Stars set because you have that beautiful 9x13, and I love the loaf pans as well. But when we come back, I wanted to show you that this is a 9x13 that we found at retail for $46, okay? In this set, you are getting a 9x13, but you're also getting so much more for just a few dollars more. And the lady that brings it all to us is Tara Tesher.
Hello.
I'm so glad you're here.
I'm glad to be here. Good morning, good morning.
Tara, this is her creation, and this, I am so proud to say, 16th year of Temp-tations here at QVC.
Thank you.
17 million Temp-tations sets sold, but I always feel like I could be adding more. Like,
I love that about you. Well, I love this, right? Because this, I love what Mary said, that it is the All-Stars. It starts with our 13x9, our single most requested, most used baking dish in the kitchen. And of course, it's got the beautiful hand painting detail. It's got that ruffled edge, so brand new updated shape for us here. Beautiful helper handles here on the side. And again, I love the fact that this goes from the oven 500 degrees to the fridge, microwave, dishwasher, and of course the freezer. So there's going to be your 13x9. We included the loaf pan, so many of you ask for the loaf pans all the time. So two of those great loaf pans, they're just under 2 quarts each. We included the ramekins when we talk about prep to perfect. So you're prepping, you're cooking, you're serving, you're storing. You're going to receive 4 of these, which are great. Everything comes with a snap-on storage cover. And Mary, we included, instead of you've seen us do ceramic, you've seen us do tempered glass trivets, we actually did a wood system, bamboo, beautiful. You have the detail on the front.
So cute.
Flip it over, or they're solid wood. I recommend cutting on the solid wood side, displaying, of course, on that beautiful side. You can clip them together, and then they work as a trivet for the whole set.
Okay, remember, that 9x13 we found at retail, $46. Everything you just saw is a feature price of $59.98. It's also on 2 easy payments of $29.99. For just a few bucks more, you get a ton more.
You do.
And then I mentioned 2 patterns. The floral lace pattern in all the colors is more limited than the Old World.
Got it.
So as we go through, I'll let everybody know what we have.
All right, perfect. I will go slow.
Oh, thank you.
That's code for Mary saying, slow down, Tara. All right, so we have, of course, our beautiful cobalt blue. Then we have our
3 dozen in the cobalt blue.
I didn't slow down.
No, yes, you did.
Here we have, of course, our black.
2 dozen.
Red underneath there.
Red we have.
Light blue. So that's that robin's
red
egg
is
blue.
sold out.
Oh, just kidding.
Oh,
Just kidding. Kidding.
uh-huh.
Is that our red?
Maybe.
Or is that our cranberry?
This might be your cranberry.
Oh, kidding. There's our cranberry. Here's our light blue.
Cranberry, we have 100.
Light blue.
Light blue, 60.
See why I don't get put on in the
No,
morning?
no, I love
I'm
you.
a disaster.
This is
Here's
so much
our
fun.
eggplant.
Eggplant, we have 50.
Here's our green over here.
Green, we have fewer than 150.
There's our spice.
Spice, we have 60.
Wow.
60.
And then our chocolate.
2 dozen in the chocolate.
Got it.
My gosh.
Down in front. We have it in Old World, of course. There's
course.
the beautiful cranberry. So that's a little softer, more light, more muted in tone. And then we, of course, have our classic red. That's going to be that fire engine kitchen red that you see there.
Fewer than 100 in the red in Old World.
Our black.
We have the black available.
We have our eggplant. So that's that grapey melted ice pop.
Oh, eggplant is delicious.
Oh. Here, of course, we have spice.
How many left in spice? 60.
Again.
Wow.
It's a theme. Here we have, of course, our brown.
Okay.
Here's our green.
Awesome.
So always super popular. At one point, Old World was only green. There's our blue.
Beautiful.
And there's our confetti.
Okay, again, you heard how limited we are in some of these colors, but this is the All-Star set, and it's 2 easy payments of $29.99. The same things that we know and love to be true about our existing Temp-tations are true about the Temp-tations here. And if you're watching QVC for the first time, they are dishwasher safe, they are oven safe, they are refrigerator safe, freezer safe. But what Temp-tations is all about is saving you time in the kitchen and making your tabletop beautiful. You can prep in your Temp-tations. You can store in your Temp-tations because they have the liddits. You can also bake, and look how gorgeous and non-stick it is.
And that's what I love, right? So it's a healthier way of cooking because you don't need butters or oils or any extra added fats. Nothing's going to stick to the sides, but look at that gorgeous hand painting. So whether you're doing your chili in your loaf pans, maybe you're not making a banana bread or a nut bread, Marin, you just want to go ahead and serve some of your appetizers. Think about that. They're just under 2-quart vessels. We did our guacamole, we did our nachos. nachos, and then in all of your ramekins, you can do all of your sides, your sour creams, your salsas, everything you're gonna need. But as far as one of our bigger sets, I love the fact that you have that wood cutting board.
Yeah.
We've really never done that before, where it acts as a trivet as well. So again, when we talk about prepping, when we talk about serving, look at how nice to have that extra piece in the kitchen. I know, it's not gluten-free.
That's okay. I can still appreciate. That looks gorgeous.
Yes.
You know what? While we have her here, let's say hi to Deanie.
Oh, I would love to.
In Kentucky. Hi, Deanie. My name is Mary, but better yet, meet Tara Tesher.
Good morning.
Good morning. I just call and let y'all know how much I love the Temp-tations. I got 4 of the 9x13 pans and the pie pans. I ain't got room to put nothing else. I love the way it cooks.
Oh, thank you,
Deanie. And that's the thing, Deanie, is, you know, it is beautiful. We can see that on television. But what is it that you love about Temp-tations, about how it cooks?
I love the way it cooks because it cooks evenly. And it cleans up evenly. I make, you know, the pan cookies, brownies, and lasagna, and hash brown casserole, and everything just comes right out.
Oh, I love that. And isn't it nice when you can put it on the table, Deanie, and everything coordinates?
Oh, yes, everybody brags on it and how pretty it is. They want to know where I got it at. Everybody questions me, and I have ordered so much for my friends and everything, gave it away as Christmas presents.
Oh, that's awesome.
How sweet.
Yes.
You know what, Deanie? I love the look of that table that we're showing on the screen right now.
I love that red. I got the blue lace.
Oh, I love the blue too. But you know what, Deanie? Once you get Temp-tations on your table, when we come back and show what's in my hands, do you think we'll ever go back to this?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either, Deanie. I'm with you. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'm going to put that away.
Deanie, y'all making me hungry this morning.
Well, you're making us hungry. You said hash brown casserole.
Yeah, I hung on that too.
Yes, please. Deanie, thank you so much for calling in today. We sure do appreciate
thank you.
Have a good one.
Okay,
bye-bye
bye-bye.
now.
Bye.
How sweet. You know what?
Love
Let's
it.
show the colors
Really quick?
Yes, please.
All right. So, of course, this is what Deanie just picked up, the blue floral lace. We have
1 dozen in the blue floral lace.
Cranberry.
100.
Black.
1 dozen.
Light blue.
50.
Eggplant.
40.
Green.
Fewer than 150.
Spice.
50.
Chocolate.
1 dozen.
Wow.
By the way, 1 dozen. Yes, that's 12. Not a baker's dozen.
Should I tell you we have nothing on reorder yet?
Sorry.
Down in front, here's our cranberry in our old world. Then we have our red. We
Fewer
have
than 100 in the red.
the black. The eggplant. Next door to that, we have the spice.
50.
The brown. I love you. 50. Then we have our green, our blue, and of course our confetti, which I collect.
Okay, this is new this month. And
Yes.
Stan, tell me one more time. 3,000 have already made its way out the door. And I don't mean new this month like, oh, January 1st. I mean like, what, 10 days ago? Yeah.
Yes.
So this has been incredibly popular.
asked
Remember,
for
2 easy payments of $29.99. Tara, you're going to come back.
And I'm going to dive bomb some of your shots.
Thank you.
Either way.
By the way, that's why I was giggling earlier. So great. The figural 2-quart bowl in the ramekin set is